Designing an ebook yourself can be challenging, especially if you're starting to create your ebook design from scratch. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step and show you how to create a professional ebook design using Canva. There are several ebook design templates to choose from. Let's take a look and get started. If you don't have an account on Canva, visit canva.com and create a free account. After that, log into your account and go to the Canva home screen and type ebook design, and you will see hundreds of templates available for you to customize as per your requirement. You can scroll down and take a look at the various templates that are available for you. You will notice that there are many templates that are free to use. You will see some of them do have a Canva Pro subscription on it. If you want to use these templates, you have to be a Canva Pro subscriber. You can see many of these templates. Some of them are creative and some of them are professional. So now you can choose any of the templates that work best for you. Let's go ahead and pick a template from some of the options available here. For this video, let me select this template here. Once you choose the template for yourself, click on Customize this template. It's now completely open on your Canva screen. Everything on this template can be edited. You can edit the text, change font, color and size, and update it as per your requirement. You can also update and change any design elements, update images, graphics, stickers, anything you can possibly think of. If you want to adjust the font, go ahead, double-click or highlight the text. Go to the top of the screen, and now you can see the various font styles available for you to use. You can select any font you like and click on it to preview it on the template. Once you find the font that you like, you can go ahead and adjust the font size. And if you want to change the font color, you can change it from here. Throughout this template, you can use the same font or change font as per your requirement. All you need to do is double-click on the text or highlight and then go to the top of the screen and click on Font to change it. You will see all the fonts being used in this template at the top here. If you want to change the color anywhere in the template, click on it and go up here and choose the color that works with you. Okay, now let me show you some other useful features here. On the left hand side, you see Elements. Click on it. You can add stock photos or any graphics using this option. You can also search for anything specific you're looking for. The template that I have selected for this example includes some design elements that you may or may not wish to keep. Go ahead and select the element that you want to delete, edit, or change. If you wish to delete, you can select the design element and click on the delete icon here. If you wish to move this design element to some other place, click on it and move it around like this. You can also change the color of this design element. Click on the design element and go up here and choose the color that works with you. If at any point you decide that you don't like the changes that you have made, remember to just use the undo button at the top here. This template already has placeholder text boxes for you to use. In case if you want to add additional text boxes, go on the left hand side and click on Text. And from here, you can add any additional text boxes that you want. If you want to update any images, you can go to Elements and choose any stock photos. Or if you want to make it more personalized, you can go on the left hand side and click on Upload to add any personal imagery or graphics on this template from here. Once you are done editing your ebook design, make sure to come up here and click on File and then click Save. For your information, Canva also saves all of your work automatically. If you want to download this ebook design, come up to the top right hand side and click on Share, and scroll down to click on Download. I recommend downloading the suggested file type, but you can also see different file options available here. See, that was so easy to design a professional ebook yourself. If you have any questions, please type a comment below. and consider subscribing for more tutorials like these.